Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Miracle Paste is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning solutions you'll ever come across, capable of tackling stubborn grime, soap scum, and burnt-on food with surprising ease, making it a must-have for any household looking to simplify their cleaning routine and achieve sparkling results across a multitude of surfaces without harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing. Number 5. Weiman Fine Jewelry Cleaner. Is your favorite jewelry looking a little dull? Bring back its original shine and brilliance with our specially formulated cleaner. This powerful liquid cleaner is designed to gently yet effectively remove tarnish and buildup. It's safe for all your precious pieces. Perfect for gold, platinum, and even delicate precious gemstones and diamonds. It restores the beauty of all your treasured items. We've included a handy cleaning brush to help you reach every nook and cranny. Get a thorough clean every time. Experience the joy of jewelry that looks as good as new. Rediscover the sparkle and brilliance you loved from the start. This generous 6-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of cleaner for multiple uses. Keep your collection looking its best. What we like. This cleaner is specifically designed to bring back the sparkle to your valuable jewelry. It's perfect for gold, platinum, and diamonds. If you have cherished pieces that have lost their luster, this is the ideal solution to make them shine like new. What people say. Very easy to use, just put the items into the basket and lower them into the solution. Takes very little time, but heavily soiled items can be left in the solution longer. The small brush included is nice for cleaning tiny spaces and crevices. It's easy to use, just dip your jewelry in, let it sit for a bit, and rinse. It takes off the lotion, oils, and everyday grime that make pieces look dull. My rings and necklaces come out looking a lot shinier, almost like they were cleaned at a jewelry store. I also like that it doesn't leave any weird residue behind. Brings dull, everyday jewelry back to life with minimal effort. A quick soak followed by a gentle scrub with the included brush and the difference is immediately noticeable. Diamond sparkle, gold looks freshly polished. Safe for use on gold, platinum, and precious gemstones, which makes it versatile enough to handle most pieces in your collection. Number 4. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaner. Introducing the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaner, your go-to solution for a sparkling clean home. It effortlessly tackles tough grease, grime, and stubborn stains. This versatile cleaner is designed for use all around your house. From kitchens to bathrooms and floors, it handles it all with ease. Say goodbye to scrubbing for hours. Its powerful formula works quickly to lift dirt and leave surfaces looking like new. Enjoy a truly clean living space. It's perfect for maintaining a fresh and hygienic environment in every room. Experience the miracle for yourself. This trusted cleaner delivers exceptional results every time, making your chores simpler. What we like. Tackle everyday messes with this versatile cleaner. It effortlessly removes grease, grime, and stubborn stains from various surfaces. If you're looking for a single product to handle most of your household cleaning needs, from the kitchen to the bathroom, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This product works amazing. I read the reviews and thought, why not? I was cleaning the top of the cupboard door and my finger missed the cleaning cloth and went into a gross gooey mess of accumulated grease I didn't know existed. So very happy I got this product. It worked, quick. 2 minutes or less after spraying and I literally wiped the grime and tar away. This stuff works great. My 3-year-old has these bath crayons and they all stain the tub and the walls. She has a blast with them, but I have to scrub the walls every time. I just spray this stuff on, let it sit for a minute, then scrub it off with a strong sponge. These crayons stain really bad, so there will always be a tiny trace of color. But if I didn't use this, it'd be way bad. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. I was astonished at how effortlessly it tackled soap scum, water stains, and dirt buildup that had accumulated over time. With just a small amount of the paste and a bit of scrubbing, my tiles and grouts were restored to their original shine and cleanliness. What impressed me the most about the Pink Stuff is its versatility. It is not only perfect for bathroom tiles and grouts but also works wonders on other surfaces throughout the house. I've used it on sinks, countertops, stovetops, and even outdoor furniture with equally remarkable results. Number 3. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner 750 ml. Tired of stubborn bathroom grime? Discover the cleaning power of the pink stuff. It's designed to tackle your toughest bathroom messes with ease. Effortlessly clean your baths and tiles with this powerful foam. Watch as it lifts away dirt and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling. Say goodbye to soap, scum, and limescale buildup. This cleaner penetrates and dissolves these common bathroom problems, restoring shine. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish on all your bathroom surfaces. Enjoy a cleaner, brighter bathroom without the hassle. Make your bathroom cleaning routine simpler and more effective. This miracle foam is your new go-to for a spotless home. Get a generous 750 ml bottle packed with powerful cleaning action. It's ready to tackle all your bathroom cleaning needs. What we like? Achieve a spotless bathroom with this specialized foam cleaner. It effectively dissolves soap, scum, and limescale, leaving surfaces gleaming without streaks. If your bathroom tiles and fixtures are constantly battling grime and water spots, this product will make cleaning a breeze. What people say. Cuts through soap, scum, hard water spots, and grime with almost no scrubbing. The results are instant. Everything looks brighter, shinier, and genuinely clean. The foam is thick and easy to apply, and it clings well to bathroom surfaces like baths, tiles, and shower screens. It works wonders on soap, scum, and limescale, breaking them down effortlessly without any harsh scrubbing. Clean my shower glass that had hard water stains with minimal wiping. I've tried CLR, Clorox bathroom cleaner, Dawn water vinegar baking soda, etc. Number 2. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste and SQeeZY Scrubber Sponge Bundle. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with this incredible bundle. It includes our powerful miracle cleaning paste and a specially designed scrubber sponge. Tackle dirt and grime on any surface with ease. This all-purpose cleaner is designed to make your chores simpler and faster. Worry less about damage. Our gentle yet effective formula cleans thoroughly without scratching your delicate surfaces. From kitchens and bathrooms to walls and floors, it handles it all. Even tough jobs like pots and grout are no match for its cleaning power. Experience a new level of clean with this essential cleaning duo. It's the perfect addition to your home cleaning arsenal. What we like? Experience powerful cleaning without damaging surfaces. This paste, combined with a gentle scrubber, is perfect for tough jobs on kitchens, bathrooms, and even pots. If you need a robust yet safe cleaning solution for heavily soiled areas or delicate surfaces, this bundle is for you. What people say. It is a mild abrasive paste cleaner and it works well, is not messy, and does not leave either a film or scratches on clean surfaces. It doesn't take much of the paste to clean, so the container, 500 grams of 17.6 ounces, should last you quite a long time. Applied a bit with a damp sponge to my kitchen sink, stovetop grime, and some bathroom grout, cut through grease and stains way easier than I expected. Number 1. The Pink Stuff Ultimate Cleaning Pack. Introducing the Pink Stuff Ultimate Cleaning Pack. It's your all-in-one solution for a sparkling clean home. Experience the magic of our miracle cleaning paste. It effortlessly tackles tough grime and leaves surfaces gleaming. Our versatile multi-purpose spray is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and beyond. It cuts through grease and removes stubborn stains with ease. Transform your bathroom with our powerful bathroom foam. It makes cleaning effortless, leaving your bathroom fresh and spotless. From kitchens to bathrooms and everything in between, this pack handles it all. Get ready for a cleaner home with less effort. Discover the ultimate cleaning power with this essential pack. It's designed to make your cleaning routine simpler and more effective. What we like? Get your entire home sparkling with this ultimate cleaning pack. It includes a paste, spray, and foam cleaner to tackle any mess. If you want a comprehensive solution for all your kitchen and bathroom cleaning challenges, this set offers maximum convenience and effectiveness. What people say. This is definitely the standout product in the pack. I've used it on my oven, shower tiles, and even some old cookware, and it handled tough grime with ease. It restores shine with minimal effort. My stainless steel appliances look practically new again. I also appreciate that the paste is made from a non-toxic, vegetable oil-based formula, gentle on the hands and safer to use around the house. This stuff is simply the best at cleaning chrome, cast iron, copper or nickel-plated drawer pulls, and those pots and pans, my stainless cookware is gleaming, A little dab will do ya. Also great at removing hard water stain from glass and tub. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.